Hey, babe, so let me show you what we did here. Check it out. So what we did is, I'm going to put this on the instructions tab. We have this template. Be sure to copy this first and then start putting your stuff in. So the way this works is you pick a date. So if I pick a date, and let me make sure there's validation. So highlight all that. We added a date, right? Okay, so we pick a date for our transactions. We have a description, we have an amount, and then you choose your type. Now, the types, each one of these columns references this name. So if you want to add more, we can do that. We just have to drag the function over. So you see how each one of these has a function up there, an if statement. So what this allows us to do is based around changing the category, it moves the amount over, and then below is going to be your totals, which are going to end up right here. So I think for right now, I'll just do this and put a top. Okay. So hopefully this makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.